Welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is titled Human-Centered Design. In this video, it's going to be a quick introduction to Human-Centered Design, HCD. The first definition, Human-Centered Design, HCD, puts people at the center of the design process. It begins with digging into user needs, challenges, and behaviors in real-world settings. With empathy and user insights, designers and key stakeholders can start brainstorming meaningful solutions. From this, human-centered design foregrounds people in the design process. You put people first. What's the importance of this concept? HCD fosters emotional connections between people and products or services. This builds relationships and business results too. Here are a couple of them. First, it can help organizations engage new users and turn occasional users into enthusiastic brand devotees. Secondly, it strengthens organizations inside and out. The HCD methodology helps designers, developers, product managers, and leadership stay in sync and on top of changing customer needs. Customer needs do change over time, especially if you have a product that lasts a long time. With everyone emphasizing with and innovating for real people, goals become clearer and decision-making easier. From this, HCD can inspire joy in using products, and it can also help build relationships, both internally and externally. UX and HCD. HCD informs user experience design principles, including user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. It takes a holistic, human-centered approach to UX design, focusing design team on user needs across the product development process. Finally, HCD's participatory design approach, trying to get many different groups and people participating. It helps to approach, this approach taps end user input early and often, inviting users to co-design, test, and fine-tune UX design solutions. From this, HCD informs UX design across the design process. That was Human-Centered Design. My name is Dino. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like this video if you like it. Please feel free to comment on the definition, the importance of human-centered design and user experience and human-centered design. Finally, if you like this type of video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. As always, thanks for watching.